In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva frames to enhance your design projects. Frames in Canva are a fantastic way to make your images stand out, create beautiful collages, or add some zest to your presentations. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of using frames in Canva. To begin, you'll need to log into your Canva account and open or start a new design where you'd like to add a frame. Once you're in your desired project, head over to the side panel on the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a variety of options such as templates, photos, and more. What we need to focus on is the one labeled Elements. Go ahead and click on Elements. This tab is your gateway to a plethora of creative tools including shapes, graphics, and most importantly for us, frames. After clicking on Elements, you'll want to direct your attention to the search bar and type in Frame. Frames can also be found under the Elements tab if you keep scrolling down, but searching can save you time and bring you straight to the options available. Once you've typed in Frame, hit Enter, and you should see a selection of frame options appear. Next up is the fun part. You'll see a button that says See All next to the frames category. You can click on that to view all the available frame options. This section will show you different styles of frames that you can incorporate into your design. Scroll through and find one that suits your vision. Canva offers a wide array of frames ranging from circles and squares to more unique shapes like stars and hearts. Once you've explored the collection and settled on a frame that appeals to you, simply click on it. The frame will then appear on your design canvas, ready for you to customize with your own image. Now let's add an image to your frame. Head back over to the left panel and click on Uploads. If you already have an image uploaded, you can find it here. Otherwise, you can easily upload a new image by clicking on the Upload Files button and selecting an image from your computer. Once your image appears under the Uploads tab, all you need to do is drag it over to your frame on the design canvas. You'll notice the frame will slightly highlight when the image is correctly placed over it. Release the mouse button and voila, your image is perfectly fitted into the frame. This process makes creating eye-catching and professional looking designs simple and efficient. Frames are a great way to enhance any visual project, make images pop, and bring a cohesive style to your work. Now that you know how to use Canva frames, you can start experimenting with different shapes and layouts to take your projects to the next level. Have fun creating.